Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here looking at question number 22 on our 2018 Pascal Math Contest. So hopefully you've given this question a little bit of a try. If not, I encourage you to pause the video now so you can see the question, try it for yourself, and then you can unpause and continue watching and see how I did it. And you and I might have completely different ways to do so. And if that's the case, I'd love for you to leave a comment about that down below. I'm always keen to look to learn different ways to do questions. So, what have we got here? A min-IOU, min-IOU, I don't know how to pronounce that. Min-IOU circuit contains nodes and wires and obeys the following rules. Each wire connects two different nodes. So, it's a nice little line. I guess the dots here are nodes, and so we sort of have an octagon where some of the opposite sides are connected. There is at most one wire between each pair of nodes, so we're never going to get something like this. Exactly 3 wires are connected to each node. Okay. If you know any graph theory, I believe this technically means it's a 3 regular graph, but I don't know as we'll necessarily need that. An example of a min-IOU circuit is shown if a min-IOU circuit had 13,788 wires. How many nodes does it have? Oh, okay. So here, for example, we have 8 nodes, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wires. So I suspect there is a relationship here. Okay, it's up to us to sort of, I keep hitting the down button. It's up to us to sort of reason out what that might be. Okay. So we could try and construct a few more small min-IOU nodes and see if we can notice a pattern. For example, we might try something like just 4. Connect all those up, and then just going across would give me 6 wires and 4 nodes. And in our given example, we have 12 wires, 8 nodes. So rather naively, I'm thinking it's just divide by 2, multiply by 3. But does that necessarily work? Well, each of our n nodes belongs to 3 wires. Each of our W wires has 2 nodes. So, what could we say here? 2 times W gives me an estimate for the number of nodes. So, for example, if I wanted to count the number of nodes, well, here's this wire. It counts this node and this node. And the yellow wire counts this node and this node. Blue wire counts this node and this node. But you'll notice the blue node and yellow node here, this one right here, has now been counted twice, yellow and blue. And it's going to be counted a 3rd time by the red wire that counts this node and this node. And then we can get the purple wire counts this node and this node. And you'll notice each node is going to be counted 3 times because there are 3 wires that it belongs to. So if I use my number of wires to count the nodes, just double the number of wires, I'm overcounting each node. And I'm going to have to divide by 3. So that equals our number of nodes. Another way of saying that is 2W is 3N. But I think we just need sort of this formula because I want to figure out the number of nodes, right? And they give me 13,788 wires. So W is going to be, just for this specific example, W is 13,788. So I'll grab my calculator. 13,788 divide by 3. Multiply by 2. we go. And so 2w over 3, which is the number of nodes, is 9,192. And there we go. So is that one of the possible answers? You bet it is. It's B, and that's exactly what we would bubble in. And so we'll bubble it in on our notepad sheet, or at least write it down. And we get a clean slate to get ready for question number 23. So that'll be coming up in the next video. So stay tuned for that. If you want to be kept up to date, I believe hitting the subscribe button and I think turning on notifications will make sure that next time I upload a video, you're notified. But you don't have to do any of that. It just shows support for the channel. Either way, I will see you for question number 23 in the next video. Take care.